A lot of wasted energy, but that's... Oh, right! And down goes Tomiyama for the second time!
Hulyo ng taon 2013, 2 buwan matapos durugin ang dumayong Indonesian fighter na si Asayek Jr. naka-20 matagumpay edisyon ng Pinoy Fighter sa Halab Boxing Promotion. Dinipinsahan ng tinagurang asukal ng Philippine Boxing na si Genesis Servania ng kanyang WBO Asia Pacific Super Bantamweight title. Kontra sa matibay na Japanese fighter na si Konosuke Tomiyama na nooy tangang ang kartadang 23 wins, 6 losses, 1 draw at 8 wins by knockouts. Habang undefeated naman sa kanyang 21 wins si Servania na may 8 panalo mula sa knockout. Servania. Ito ang unang pagkakataon ng dadayo ng laban sa labas ng Pilipinas ang ating kababayan. At pang-apat na former world title challenger ang kanyang makakalaban.
Touch gloves, good luck.
Balikan natin ang naging laban ni Genesis Servania kontra sa matibay at palaban ng Japanese fighter na si Konosuke Tomiyama. At alamin kung paano nga ba pinahirapan ng husdo ni Tomiyama ang Pinoy champion sa kanilang bakbakan. Nahalos na magwala na nga ang kasiyahan ng malaman na hindi na makakabalik pa si Servania sa kanilang laban.
Welcome back to Macau, second of our bouts on TopRank.com.
Unang round pa lang, mainit na ang palitan agad ng atake ng pinakawalan ng dalawang boksingero. Nakauna man ang ating pambato, agad naman nakabawi ang Japanese fighter dahil na rin sa gigil ni Servania.
Fighter in Tokyo, Japan, and he is down quickly. A sudden and dramatic turn that this fight takes immediately. Tomiyama has actually fought for the world championship a couple of years back against Nobuo Nishia. Not a big KO mark, but as you can see, he is not devoid of power, and he lands a good left hook there. A very rocky start for Tomiyama. Servania looking great here in the opening moments, and now Tomiyama comes back with his first combination of the fight. Here comes Servania. These two are throwing the leather early. And he scores a knockdown with a left hand. Both fighters have tasted the canvas here in round 1. Good jab by Tomiyama. Tries that uppercut. Now here comes Servania. Chases him to the ropes and back out to ring center. And a fine left-right combination by Tomiyama. Stops Servania in his tracks. Servania tries to answer back, and his champion is down again. Second time he is down.
Nagawa man pabagsakin ni Tomiyama si Servania sa round 1 na tiling agresibo ang ating pambato at patuloy ito nagpakawala ng atake sa depensa ni Tomiyama, kung saan nagawa nitong makapagpatama ng solidong kombinasyon sa round 3 na siguradong nagpayanig ng gusto sa Japanese fighter.
He never stops bouncing. It's difficult. It seems to me to be a lot of wasted energy, but that's... hard right! And down goes Tomiyama for the second time. Fourth knockdown of the fight, and that was the worst one yet. He was really flattened, but he got up, and he seems okay. Seems to have his legs underneath him. And let's see what Servania can do. Hard right by Servania. Tomiyama in trouble. Backed into a corner. Bell sounds into the round. Nice combination. It's a good 1-2 that Tomiyama has. Now he comes forward. He pushes Servania up against the ropes, and here comes Genesis back. Oh, beautiful left hook by Servania. Gets Tomiyama in trouble. Staggers back against the ropes and his head. Servania loading up. So you come out here to Macau and at times tried to lead right. Tomiyama also has a very good right, but usually it follows his jab. Good counter left by Servania. Long range right.
Sa round 6 tuloy lang ang pag-atake ng Pinoy champion sa kaliwat kanan pa rin kung bumayo ng suntok sa matibay na Japanese fighter. Pero palaban si Tomiyama at tuloy lang ito sa pagpunteriya sa sugat sa noo ni Servania.
Scored 2 knockdowns. Anya scored 2 knockdowns. Anya really digging that left. To have the power, he's not devoid of power despite that low knockout ratio. Good right hand by Tomiyama. Tomiyama's having good fortune with his boxing ability. Best for him to keep the fight at long range. Competition himself, we mentioned Tomiyama had fought for a world title, but this is another tough opponent here for him.
Step back.
The first to 4 rounds. Nice combination and a follow-up right by Servania. Another right, but partially blocked by the shoulder of Tomiyama. Tomiyama answers back with a right of his own, and here they go again as the bell sounds.
Sa pagpapatuloy na matinding laban sa dalawang boksingero sa round 9, tuloy lang ang pagpapakawala ng kanilang solidong atake sina Servania at Tomiyama. At dahil hindi inaasahang sitwasyon na nagbigay ng malaking sugat sa Pinoy champion sa gitna ng kanilang sagupaan sa round 9, nagpasya ang referee sa utos na rin ng ring position na itigil na ang kanilang bakbakan.
Another cut for Servania.
Dito na magwawala sa kasiyahan ang matibay na Japanese fighter na si Tomiyama. Nang malaman nito na hindi na pwedeng lumaban pa si Servania.
This fight may be over. It is. This fight is over. Now Tomiyama thinks he has won, and I do not believe that he has won. The referee, Tomiyama, thinks that he has scored a TKO victory. That is not the case. That is not the case. Do not be misled by that celebration of Tomiyama. There you see the terrible cut that was just opened, and they're calling it a headbutt, which means they are going to score the fight and score that last round.
Ayon sa raw ng World Boxing Organization, kapag ang laban ay nahinto bunga ng accidental headbutt matapos ng 4 na round, ang hatol ng laban ay dapat kunin sa puntos ng lahat ng mga hurado. At dahil ang sugat ang injury ni Servania ay dulot ng isang accidental headbutt, technical decision pabor sa boksingirong laman ng puntos ang naging hatol ng mga hurado.
In favor of the winner by way of technical split decision. And still, WBO Asia Pacific.
Matapos malusutan ng isang mabigat na laban kontra sa Japanese fighter na si Komusoki Tomiyama, 7 sunod na panalo pa ang naitala ni Servania bago malasap ang kanyang unang kabiguan noong 2017. Laban naman sa isang knockout artist ng Mexico na si Oscar Valdez na isa ring undefeated fighter. Ikaw, idol, anong masasabi mo sa bakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo na yan sa ating comment section sa baba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video nito, paiwan naman ako like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Saan man kayo naroon, lagi mag-ingat. God bless. Bye!